Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am showing you an amazing new app setup that lets you watch brand new movies and TV shows completely free. No subscription, no hidden fees, just pure entertainment on your Firestick. Plus, I have a quick step-by-step installation guide coming up that takes just a few minutes. You are watching TechVibes. If you want to keep these apps running smoothly without any annoying buffering, make sure to use NordVPN on your device. Check out the installation link right down in the description and top pinned comment. So, is jailbreaking a Firestick legal in 2026? A lot of misinformation happens because people confuse changing system settings with accessing pirated content streams that trigger network blocks or provider throttling. Let us clear up the confusion right now and configure your device safely and legally. Step 1. Understand the legal reality of jailbreaking. Simply enabling your device to install external applications is 100% legal. You own the hardware. You are allowed to configure it to run third-party applications. Step 2. Turn on developer options legally. Go to your settings menu on the home screen. Click on My Fire TV, click on developer options. Turn on apps from unknown sources. This unlocks your hardware so you can install incredible free platforms like Plex or Tubi without any restrictions. Step 3. Download the official downloader application. Go to the Find section on your home screen. Search for Downloader. Click Download and install it. This is a completely legal browser tool found right in the Amazon App Store. It lets you navigate directly to verified open-source software packages. Step 4. Clear out your default system cache to avoid glitches. Go to your Settings menu. Click on Applications, select Manage Installed Applications, scroll down to your heavily used video apps, and click Clear Cache. This removes temporary data blocks instantly. It makes your entire user interface feel super snappy. Step 5. Force stop background telemetry apps. While you are inside the Manage Installed Applications menu, look for any unused store applications that run constantly in the background. Click on them and choose Force Stop. This frees up your system RAM immediately. Step 6. Configure your advanced network connection settings to stop provider tracking and throttling. Go back to your main settings. Click on Network. Hover over your current connection and click Forget Network. Reconnect to your router, but choose the advanced option this time. Manually set your primary DNS to DNS 8.8.8.8. Set your secondary DNS to DNS 8.8.4.4. This routes your traffic directly through the Google public servers. Step 7. Optimize your hardware connection parameters. Go to Settings, click on Display and Sounds. Set your video resolution to auto-match original frame rate. If you use an external sound system, make sure your data cable is plugged into a port labeled HDMI 2.1. For wireless internet setups, always connect your device to the 5 GHz wireless network instead of the older 2.4 GHz band to maximize your download capacity. Here is a quick pro tip to keep your newly unlocked device completely safe and super fast. Go into your Preferences menu, click on Privacy Settings. Turn off device usage data and turn off collect app usage data. Go to data monitoring and turn it off completely. This stops automated tracking scripts from monitoring your app activities. It saves massive processor power for a clean streaming experience. It is a total no-brainer for privacy. Drop a comment below if you face any difficulty during the setup. I will reply within 1 hour to help you out. If this video saved you some cash, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to TechVibes. You can absolutely customize your device safely and legally today. See you in the next one.